Hello and welcome guys. In this video we will learn how to disable automatically sign in to website in Microsoft Edge. So guys, first thing you have to do, open Microsoft Edge. Now here guys you will see 3 point, click on it, scroll down and you have to find out settings. So here is the gear icon for settings, open it. Now guys, here you will see option passwords, open it. So guys, if you want to disable and turn off, so select this one to off position. Offer to save password, allow Microsoft Edge to save your passwords and help keep them secure. So just to select this one to off position. So by this setting, we can disable and turn off automatically sign in to website in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Please comment if this video useful for you or not.